G'day guys, just back with the tailgate seal. So I've had a bit of problems, as you can see here, pinching, and it's starting to peel off. The other side was a lot worse. I ended up fixing the other side, what you just saw before. You can see it's rubbing through here on these points here. So I'm going to do something with this. I have bought a product called Red Cat. I bought it at the local Mitre 10, rural Mitre 10 out at Fernvale, out near Ipswich. So this is like a metal clip. You squeeze it on. So if you're looking at what it is, it's that one. Alright, next video will be of it installed. Okay, yeah, it's all installed again. What I ended up doing was silicone all the way around there, the existing one. I replaced a brand new part there and got rid of the old crappy one, right, which was that one there, and I ran silicone all the way around. Same thing here with this particular one here. You can see the profile there. Alright, what I ended up doing was I ended up going that way, alright, and then bashing it on with a mallet, and then I went through and crimped it all the way on. Okay, that way, once this all dries, I'm going to let it dry for about 4 or 5 hours before touching anything else. You can see over here, so I put all silicone all through here, as well as the other side, and down through there, in between there. Yeah, it's not the prettiest thing, but the thing is, I use my four-wheel drive to four-wheel drive. Alright, so at the end of the day, as long as it achieves what I need to be done, I'm happy. Alright then, thanks for watching and see you on the next episode.